The average person stays trapped in debt for years, while wealthy people use money to make even more money. Money bag chart decreasing. So what's the difference? It's not income. It's financial habits. Show credit card debt piling up versus wealth chart rising. Debt can quietly destroy financial freedom. High interest payments, unnecessary spending, and poor money habits keep millions stuck. But avoiding debt and building wealth is possible with the right strategy. In this video, learn simple steps to stay out of debt, grow savings, and build long-term wealth. Watch till the end to discover the mindset shift that changes everything. Show text, Debt-Free Wealth Blueprint. Section 1, Understand good debt versus bad debt. Not all debt is equal. Show 2 columns, good debt versus bad debt. Bad debt. Credit cards. High-interest loans. Impulse financing. Good debt. Business investments. Real estate. Education with high value. The goal is to avoid debt that loses value over time. Section 2, Create a simple budget. A budget gives control over money. Show monthly income and expenses chart. Use a simple rule. Needs. Savings. Wants. Track spending monthly. Even small leaks matter. Section 3, Stop lifestyle inflation. One of the biggest wealth killers. Show salary increasing plus spending increasing. As income grows, spending often grows too. Instead, increase savings before increasing lifestyle. That gap builds wealth faster. Section 4, Build an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses create debt fast. Show emergency fund jar filling up. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses saved. This prevents using credit cards during emergencies. Section 5, Pay off high-interest debt first. Interest works against wealth building. Show credit card interest growing. Focus on credit cards. Payday loans. High-interest balances. The faster these disappear, the faster money can grow. Section 6, Start investing early. Wealth grows through investing. Show stock chart rising slowly. Even small amounts matter. Example. $100 invested monthly over years can grow significantly. Time plus consistency equals powerful results. Section 7, Avoid impulse spending. Most unnecessary debt starts emotionally. Show online shopping cart filling up. Before buying, ask. Is this helping long-term goals? Waiting 24 hours before purchases reduces impulse spending. Section 8, Build multiple income streams. More income creates more flexibility. Show multiple money streams. Examples. Freelancing. Side hustles. Investments. Digital products. Extra income speeds up debt payoff and wealth building. Section 9, Learn financial discipline. Wealth is built through habits. Show routine checklist. Successful money habits. Saving consistently. Investing regularly. Avoiding unnecessary debt. Small actions repeated daily create big results. Section 10, Think long-term. Building wealth takes time. Show slow growth becoming exponential. Focus on progress, not instant success. Consistency beats quick wins. Bonus tips. Tip 1, Automate savings. Set automatic transfers every month. Show money moving automatically. Tip 2, Use cash flow wisely. More income should create more assets, not more liabilities. Tip 3, Learn continuously. Financial knowledge increases earning potential. Tip 4, Stay patient. Wealth building is a long-term process. Debt takes freedom away. But smart financial habits can build it back. Show chains breaking plus wealth chart rising. Spend wisely. Save consistently. Invest long-term. And turn financial stress into financial freedom. And once those habits start becoming consistent, life begins to change in ways most people don't expect. Not overnight, but gradually. Show small financial improvements stacking over time. The stress starts decreasing. Less worrying about bills. Less dependence on credit cards. More control over money. And that control creates confidence. Show person checking growing savings account calmly. Because financial peace doesn't come from buying more things. It comes from knowing money problems can be handled. This is why budgeting matters so much. Not because it limits freedom, but because it creates it. Show organized financial dashboard. Now imagine what happens after debt is reduced. The money that once went toward interest payments can now go toward savings, investments, income-producing assets. Show money redirecting from debt to investments. That's where real wealth building begins. Because every dollar saved from debt becomes a dollar working toward the future. Another major shift is learning the difference between looking wealthy and actually being wealthy. Show luxury spending versus investment growth. Many people spend money to impress others. But wealthy people focus on building assets. Assets generate income. Liabilities drain income. That simple difference changes everything. And over time, investing starts creating momentum. Show compounding chart accelerating upward. At first, growth feels slow. Then gradually, the portfolio begins growing faster. That's the power of consistency in compounding. There's also something important about patience. Most people quit because results aren't immediate. But wealth is built quietly. Month by month. Year by year. Eventually, financial habits become automatic. Show automated savings plus investments. Saving feels normal. Investing becomes routine. Debt stops controlling decisions. And that's when true financial freedom starts becoming possible. Not because income suddenly explodes, but because money is finally being managed wisely. This is how ordinary people build wealth. Not through luck. Not through shortcuts. But through smart habits repeated consistently over time, and in the end, the biggest financial advantage isn't how much money is earned. It's how wisely that money is used. Show money splitting into spending versus investing. Because high income without discipline can still lead to debt. But smart habits, even with smaller income, can build real wealth over time. That's the difference between temporary money and long-term financial freedom. Show short-term spending fading while investments grow. Avoiding debt isn't about never spending money. It's about making sure money works toward the future instead of against it. Every smart decision matters. Every dollar saved matters. Every investment matters. Show small actions building into large results. And over time, those small choices create something powerful. Stability. Freedom. Opportunity. The people who build wealth are not always the ones earning the most. Often, they are simply the ones managing money better. Show calm investor versus stressed spender. So the real question is not, how quickly can wealth be built? The real question is, what financial habits are being built today? Because habits shape the future. Good habits reduce debt. Smart habits grow wealth. And consistent habits create freedom. Show final text, spend smart. Avoid debt. Build wealth. Start small. Stay disciplined. Think long-term. And turn financial pressure into financial power.